Alright guys, so we are staying at the Shades of Green here in Orlando, Florida for our trip. This is the first video of the vlog. We are staying in room 2149. Let's go in here and take a look. It's a connecting room, and my son-in-law, who is in the military, is staying there with my daughter. So let's take a look at the bathroom. We have an ADA room, got a sink. Probably should have pulled my shirt out there. I changed. Got our shower. And got a closet here with an iron and an ironing board, and an extra blanket and Diane's hat for the cruise. And then we got the TV. Diane's got her mobility cart. Mine broke down on the way here, so Southwest fixed it. They're on the way here with it. It didn't take them long. It only took them half an hour. And it's a standard room. It's got a nice little table over here. And got our couch right here and a light. Let's take a look at these pictures here. This is the Shades of Green, guys. And we do have a balcony. Let's go out here and take a look. We're at a balcony. There's Diane right there. Look, she's ready for her. I told her to get out so we could do the room tour. Got some chairs here. And check it out. We're on the golf course. Hole number 9, guys. There's a golf course on each side of this hotel, Shades of Green. So this is it. This is where we're going to be staying for the next 5 days before we get on the Disney Fantasy. So I know it's kind of dark looking in here, but hey, beds look comfortable. Carts are going to fit, because my cart's going to be here too, so we're going to have 2 carts in here. There you go, guys. And you got a full-length mirror here if you want to see. Yeah, you can't even see me in the mirror. Alright guys, so there you go, room 2147, Shades of Green. Looks pretty nice. As good, if not better than a Disney room. Laters. This is the Shades of Green downstairs. Diane and I are going to catch the bus to the Magic Kingdom. It's about 3:30. We're going to be out there all night. Good night footage like we always do, guys. That's what we do. Ain't no rope dropper for this old man. We're using the Sony. It gets this little bar area here. A little area to sit and have some food and TV. Alright, this is the transportation center, which is downstairs. And these buses will take you to all the parks plus Disney Springs from here. Pretty nice. You got your military flags flying up here. Shades of Green here. This is the little breakfast area they have here. Pretty nice.